Hi everyone, I'm Charlene from BBC Learning English. Today we're talking about measles, a disease which kills thousands of people around the world every year. The World Health Organization has just announced that the number of measles cases in Europe in 2017 was 4 times the rate for the previous year. Experts say that this worrying trend is partly due to a fall in immunisation rates, and one reason for this is public fear about the safety of vaccinations. Everybody's talking about it, and I'm asking 3 questions to find out the actual words that people are saying. Question 1. Are you concerned about the rise in measles in Europe?
Yes, definitely. As a mother of a young child anyway, I've always made sure she's had all the vaccinations on time, and it gives me peace of mind.
Yes, yeah, I am concerned about that. If people aren't being vaccinated, it's important to get vaccinated, definitely.
No.
Do you think people are right to worry about the safety of vaccinations?
I don't think so. I think the record is that they're proved to be quite safe.
Yes, I do, because, for example, the flu vaccination now, I wonder how much of that is relevant or necessary, because you are still giving part of the actual disease or illness.
I wouldn't say they need to worry, but I think they should take it seriously and act responsibly.
Some people want measles vaccinations to be made compulsory by law. Would you go along with that?
I would actually, yeah, because it helps the others as well. I would agree with that. I would.
At the end of the day, I think it should be left up to the individual to decide. But for something as serious as that, then maybe it wouldn't be a bad idea.
I think everybody's got their own right to choose. I think if they can promote it positively, then more people will choose to have it done.
So, there you go. Everybody's talking about measles, and now you can too. There's a recap coming up in just a second, but before I go, don't forget you can find out more about this topic at bbclearningenglish.com. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube, and get talking. See you next time.